If you want to learn how to make a delicious stew like this in 20 minutes or less, just keep watching. I have a hack for you. All you need is ginger, red bell pepper, onion, garlic, celery, and prego sauce. You can use any spaghetti sauce you want. So in the boiling water, just add the macaroni, a little bit of oil and salt, and then gradually blend all the ingredients together. Blend and make it not too smooth. Then uh, add your oil, put onions for inside, then you put your thyme. If you put anything where you would like for inside, sha, then fry the thing small. Then put your seasoning cube. Then put the prego. If you use any spaghetti sauce, but me I prefer to put to a big. I know get energy to cook every Eke market day. Make it silver plenty for me. Then add salt. Then put the chicken while keep by the side. Finish your eating done be that. Let them cook for some minutes. Then proceed to my macaroni. Then strain the thing. As I strain and finish your food don't be that. Almost seafood now. Check this out now. Check them out now. Very easy, very simple. You feel eat this stew with rice, you eat them with yam, if you eat them with anything. If you dey watch my video, you never like, you know they follow, you never subscribe. What I do you now? I beg, like, share, and follow. Thank you. God bless you. Emmanuel, hey, Makayende.